So you're thinking about making your own YouTube channel. I'm going to give you the ins and outs of what it's been like as a YouTube content creator for my channel coming up. I recently had a comment under one of my videos, and a lady wanted to know how she could start her own channel. So this video is for her and anybody else that's interested in starting their own channel to hopefully help you out. Since I've been doing this a year and a half, I can give you a little bit of knowledge in that area, things I've learned from having this channel for a year and a half. All right, so I've got 10 tips. Tip number 1, why do you want to make a YouTube channel? What are your reasons behind wanting to have your own channel? You need to figure out what that is, because it will help you moving forward to know how to shape your channel into what you want it to be. Tip number 2, who is your target audience? Who are you trying to reach? That helps you to figure out how to do your videos. Like if you're trying to reach a younger audience, you might use music that would attract a younger audience to your videos. If you're going for an older audience, you might use different music that they probably would like more in your videos. You're looking for viewers that will be interested in the topic that you are talking about on your channel. Tip number 3 is keep your channel as true to the theme as you can. I know on my channel it's about 99% about autism, adults with autism. I have a video here and there that's a different topic, but my viewers know that the upcoming videos I make, or if they enjoy videos about adults with autism, they know that video is probably going to be about that topic. So tip number 4 is be prepared to put a lot of time into your channel. If you are working full time, that might be something you want to think about. If you have the time to do it, you don't need to expect fast results. You need to be willing to go on that roller coaster ride up and down. There'll be peaks and valleys to your journey on YouTube. You'll have a video here that, might get 1,000 views. And then your next video might not get but like 200 views. So it's just a roller coaster. Everything about how you put your video on there matters. From the wording you use to the tags and titles. We won't go into all that in this video, but all of that matters to who gets to see your video. It takes a lot of time to make a YouTube video. If you have to think of the topic, you have to be willing to put in the time to edit it. And if you want to add music, you've got to search through the library of music, which YouTube does have that creators can use for free. You can find music there. You have to film it. It takes a lot of time to do these things. Don't expect you're going to hit 1,000 subscribers within, a month, a few weeks, a few months. It's different from everybody. I have a friend that has a channel on here that pretty much made it to 1,000 subscribers in 5 videos. And it took me like 80 videos. So don't get discouraged. You don't know how it's going to do on YouTube. Don't get discouraged and look at other people's videos, how many they have uploaded till they hit 1,000. That will make you depressed right there. So just keep it positive as much as you can. Tip number 5 is watch lots of YouTube videos on how to make YouTube channels. I would recommend vidIQ, VIDIQ, or Nick Nimmin, but there's so many other ones you can watch. So it gives good advice. They know that's what the topic of their channel is. So you're going to get lots of information there. Tip number 6 is get familiar with your dashboard. So that's where all the activity you can check on that's happening, how your latest video is doing. You can see the results there. You can see how long people are typically watching your videos for before they drop off watching it. You can get all the video statistics there. Latest comments. You can see latest subscribers, the ones that are public. And so your dashboard will be, something you can check out every day to see how your channel is doing. You can see how many watch hours have accumulated. Question number 7, will you get rich quick? Definitely not. I'm sure it happens for a small amount of people, very small, select. It is not the norm to get rich fast on YouTube. And if that's the reason you're starting a YouTube channel, it's probably not the reason to start a YouTube channel. There's got to be a better reason for that to start it. Tip number 8 is use your community tab. They have opened it up for all channels, no matter how many subscribers you have. You can comment on there about updates in your life. You can post pictures to update people. It's kind of a behind the scenes thing where they can get to know you better. You can put polls on there, quizzes on there. So it helps you connect with your audience even more, which kind of leads into tip number 9. I recommend that you comment on all you respond to all of the comments that you get to the best of your ability. On my channel, I still am able to usually leave a personal comment, leave the heart. You can give them a heart their comment, but as much as you can, comment back so you can build that rapport with your subscribers on your channel. And number 10, monetization. Money's able to start rolling in. So the way it is right now on YouTube is if you get 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, they will grant you the ability to go to the next stage. At that point, you can get supers like super chat. If you have a live chat, super thanks, people can send you money and thanks for your video that way to support your channel. You can start adding merchandise on there through a shopping tab. If you sell merchandise, you can put it there, and you can offer channel memberships. Now I was going to do that and then I changed my mind, but I might do it in the future. And that's where you give perks to those that are members on your channel that join your channel, like they pay maybe $2.99 a month, and you give them something in return, like personal comments, or they get early access to all your videos if you want to set it up that way, or they get special videos that no one else can see that's not a member of your channel, and they get perks like stickers that you create. That's the fun part. And they also get an icon by their name so everyone can see they've joined your channel also. When you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, then you can get ad revenue coming in for your channel. So you don't get to pick the ads that would be put on your channel, but they try to reach the demographics that your channel is about. Like in my case, I've been on here a year and a half almost, and I have a little over 1,000 subscribers and 3,500 watch hours. So I'm pretty close to getting to the 4,000 watch hours. But just because I hit the 1,000 subscribers doesn't mean I get the ad revenue yet. Have to reach that other milestone. And also like to mention, you have to go through a process. Once you hit that first milestone of 3,000 watch hours and 500 subscribers, you can start the process of trying to get your channel approved to be able to do those monetary resources. So it's an approval process. It only took me, it took 24 hours for them to get back to me with, yes, my channel was approved for that. So comment down below. I want to know how many of you plan on starting your own channel. And if you have any other questions, anything I didn't cover, I'm happy to be open and honest with you about that to the best that I can. And thank you for watching this video. And if you want to talk more about adults with autism, please go down there and subscribe and join this community. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.